Welcome to Breaking Coin News. Ripple Bank license and corporate treasuries among 6 reasons XRP could go up. Ripple's partnerships for cross-border payments, remittances, and blockchain innovation such as with Bahrain Fintech Bay and SBI Remit underscore XRP's practical utility beyond speculation. XRP's long-term growth is tied to regulatory developments, with the SEC set to rule on multiple spot XRP ETF applications between October 18 and 20. As we begin our news on crypto, please do not forget to subscribe to receive the next crypto news. Ripple's native cryptocurrency XRP has struggled for a while as bulls face stiff resistance at $3. The altcoin has largely followed the broader crypto market moves. However, it possesses some underlying strength that could help regain the momentum to the upside. Factors like regulatory clarity and XRP's real-world use cases could play a key role in pushing the price higher. Let us take a look at the 6 factors that will propel Ripple to new highs. 1. Institutional adoption and XRP Treasury. Public companies are increasingly incorporating XRP into their treasury strategies, with corporate holdings now surpassing $11.05 billion. Major firms such as SBI Holdings, Reliance Global Group, Gumi Inc., Viva Power, and Trident Digital have expanded their XRP reserves, driving both supply absorption and demand. The growing adoption of XRP by institutions not only adds credibility to the asset, but also signals confidence in its long-term stability. By leveraging XRP for liquidity management, settlements, and these companies are demonstrating their practical utility beyond speculative trading. This reinforces Ripple's position as a digital asset of institutional-grade quality. 2. Boosting global partnerships for cross and remittance. Ripple is broadening its reach through strategic partnerships that highlight XRP's practical use cases. The company recently teamed up with Bahrain Fintech Bay to drive blockchain innovation, pilot tokenization project, and integrate the RUSD stablecoin across the Middle East, as reported by CNF. Earlier, Ripple partnered with Thunes, a leading fintech firm providing global cross-border payment solutions. Furthermore, the Ripple partner SBI Remit in Japan leverages XRP to enable instant money transfers to the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, providing faster and more efficient remittance services for migrant workers sending funds home. 3. Challenging dominant players like Swift. Ripple's native XRP ledger XRPL delivers speed, scalability, and versatility. Thus, it supports a wide range of use cases from cross-border payments and stablecoin issuance to tokenized assets and decentralized finance DeFi applications. XRPL's low fees and energy-efficient consensus model make it a practical choice for real-world adoption. XRP transactions settle in just 3 to 5 seconds. Thus, it challenges existing traditional players like Swift, as mentioned in our earlier report. 4. Regulatory clarity around XRP. XRP's long-term value depends not only on its technology and adoption but also on regulatory treatment and integration by major networks. By 2020, and market landscape are expected to provide XRP with greater clarity and momentum. Furthermore, with the Trump administration introducing crypto-friendly regulations in place, the acceptance of Ripple technology, along with its native XRP cryptocurrency, is likely to grow further. 5. XRP ETF approval chances spike. Market analysts are waiting for the US SEC to approve the spot XRP ETFs in the market as per the 1933 Securities Act. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is set to rule on several XRP ETF applications between October 18 and 20. Key issuers, including Grayscale and 21 shares, have pending filings for both spot and futures-based XRP funds. However, the ongoing U.S. government shutdown, which began on October 1, has temporarily paused these decisions. Crypto analysts noted that the Thunes XRP ETF was able to launch without direct SEC approval, because it was registered under the 1940 Investment Company Act, a pathway not available to spot crypto ETFs as reported by CNF. 6. Technical charts point to XRP reversal. Despite recent market volatility, XRP's price chart is showing early signs of a potential bullish reversal. As per charts on October 8, XRP is forming a descending triangle pattern, which, if broken upward, could spark a rally of up to 37%, targeting the $3.90 $4 range. Momentum indicators, including the MACD and RSI, are stabilizing near neutral levels, indicating that selling pressure may be easing. On the downside, $2.80 is the most important support for XRP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please do not forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.